Hey guys, Scrappy K Sue. I got another Halloween card. This one is just a simple flat card. I had some rub-on, or not a rub-ons, stickers that I wanted to use, and all three of these are those stickers. I just thought this little girl was so stinking cute with this little spider off her hat and this little cat wanting to eat that cupcake. It's Happy Halloween with the little ghost. And on the inside I did the trick or treat as a sticker as well. And on this side I had a little spider sticker, but it only had this much of the stem, so I drew a stem, but I messed up and got squiggly with it, so I kind of squiggled a bunch of stuff like his spider webs. Not quite, it's like unraveling or something, I don't know. And then I used that punch again. So I thought that one turned out pretty cute. Now I still got a few of these I'm gonna try to use up, but I thought these were just so cute because the colors on them are just so vibrant. And at first I thought they were rub-ons, but then I saw that they were stickers. I put the sticker on there first, and then I realized that I wanted to put some purple around here. So when I was doing the purple, I had to be careful, because if you can see, you see where it's still white around there, where the purple can't get to because it's underneath the sticker? Well, that's what you got to be careful about, like under her foot too. Oops. Right there. Under the cat. So I couldn't get the purple all the way up underneath them. There's like a little border from the sticker. So you have to do that first and then put the sticker on. So, but I thought it did turn out pretty cute. So let me know what you think of that one, and we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks.